Accounting theories. This report will guide the reader to understand the accounting theories in an organizational context. It will also contain a detailed analysis of the application of accounting theories in the organization. To apply the accounting theory, the chosen organization is Nestle. Nestle is a multinational food processing company. It has vast ranges of products. The company operates in more than 47 countries and more than 3 continents. The company has been established in 1866 and operating in the market for more than 150 years. Transaction concept. It is the simplest concept of accountancy. Transaction means exchange of assets. It is generally done by exchanging of currency. The transaction should be of the same amount of entity. For a successful transaction, it is necessary to restrict the definition accounting period concept. This concept states that the lifetime of a business is divided into several parts. The result of each segment is studied after showing the result of each segment. The valuation problem can be created by the accrual accounting, and it helps to estimate the likelihood of subjective divergence. The seasonal fluctuations should be covered by the accounting period. The interval of the transactions is called accounting period in the accounting theories. Concept of realization. This theory is related to clearing the concept of transaction. All the questions arisen about the concept of transaction is related to the realization theory. This concept is highly affected by the formal legal considerations. Full disclosure concept. The full disclosure concept is not a theory, and it is an idea of attaining the objectives of the company. It helps to achieve the entire accounting objective in the company. It is also related to the monitoring the goals of attaining the objectives. The theory of accounting relates to the effective summarization of the concept, classification of the objectives, materiality of the concept, etc. It is mainly concerned about the presentation of the objectives. The full disclosure concept is mainly related to the view of activities in an organization. Identification of suitable accounting theories. MS model is a very good model that is used by the company Nestle for improving its financial sectors. It is this model that allows the company to enhance their finance so that it gets improved day by day. The full form of MS model is management science model. This model is very much important for Nestle in enhancing its finances. This is done by the company for giving it a good point in the finance of the organization. The management science is such a thing that is used for managing that involves the making of the decision. It helps the companies to control the things that were not controllable in relation to finance. This helps the management of the organization to control the things and help them to progress in the finances. 1. The concept of transactions. The concepts of transactions are very much important for the management for the organization. This should be applied by the management of the organization in the finances of the organization. These transactions are to be corrected and followed by the accountants of the organization. These must be done and checked by the management of the organization to check the transactions that happen in the organization. These are very important in Nestle to verify the transactions that are done by the management to check the accounts of the organization to have a better and proper system of financial statement. 2. Concept of the accounting period. The accounting period concept is another way of enhancing the finance of the organization. This is very much important for the organization Nestle to satisfy the problems of the organization and provide good and better statement of finance. The accountants at Nestle have a very good concept of the period of accounting that makes the management and the company better in the finances of the organization. This helps the company to grow and work properly so that the financial statement looks better in this position. The accountants at Nestle are very much ready to use the realization concept to the fullest to have a very good process and enhance their finance through the system of accounting concept. This is very much important for the management of the organization to have a proper realization concept so that the accountants can use this to enhance the finances of the organization. The accountants at Nestle are very much proper at their work, which makes them to disclose the full things of the organization, taking the finance of Nestle to a greater level. Conclusion. From the above report, the detailed accounting theories of Nestle can be understood.